Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I have a quick Matchbox and Hot Wheels haul here. I bought multiples because I have two boys that if they don't get the same thing they freak, and then there were some that I wanted to get extras of for myself, for my husband, and things like that. So I'm just going to show you the singles for the most part. I can tell you how many. Got two of these. Now Matchbox had a bunch of the Jeep and the Chevys, and I'm not sure what else, but so okay, this is the Jeep, let's see, Jeep Wrangler Superlift. So I got two of those, and we already had one of those. Now let's see, I'm gonna go with the Matchbox Jeeps. Let's go in this order. Another one, this is, just hold this like this, the 1998 Jeep Wrangler in green. And on the top, it has cargo, whoops, up on top there. Okay, so we got that one. Then, already had one of these, but I got two more. This is the Jeep Grand Cherokee. It has a boat on the top and 4x4. It's done in like a reddish orange. Burnt orange, maybe you want to call that. Okay, let's see if I have any more of those before we go to the Chevys. Okay, so in the Chevys, this was the 100 truck years, I guess, series. This is a 2014 Chevy Silverado. It's done in this gray color. There's the sunroof on the top. Okay, and I got two of those. And then again in the Chevrolet 100 years of trucks. This is the K1500 off-road in green. Okay, got two of those. Three of these. This is the Chevrolet 100 years of trucks, and this is the 2002 Chevy Avalanche in the blue with the gray. Okay, two of these. Again, this is the 100 years of trucks Matchbox. This is the 70 Chevy El Camino in green. There's a black stripe on the front, two black stripes on the front. Truck bed is black. Two of those I picked up. They had many of the Hot Wheels, the Dark Knight series. Could have got them all. They had them all there. My kids have several of the Batmobiles. I wasn't sure which ones they had. My kids aren't in like so much that they have to collect the whole series of anything, but I knew they loved Lamborghinis, so I picked these up so that I knew I didn't have a duplicate because I know they didn't have this one. This is the Lamborghini Murcielago, and they were stoked to get this. I got two of these. They had a lot in the store that I went to of this Dark Knight series. They had them all, which would be all of those there. Okay. Then I got this Hot Wheels new for 2018 Best for Track Skull Shaker from the Experimotors Special Features, and so that's the little guy in there, shakes. Kind of reminds me of this Matchbox Jeep I had, the Roll-O-Matics, was that what they used to be called? And the guy used to jump up and down in the Jeep. So this is Hot Wheels. We've got one of those. And then again, these Golfs, right? Volkswagen Golfs. I showed you the orange ones last time. Picked up another two yellows. And like I said, this is the then and now. You'll see people say the orange is a mistake, the yellow is a mistake, they're hard to find, whatever. I've been finding them very easily, and I just like them because I used to have, when I was a kid, a green Volkswagen Rabbit with two surfboards on the top. And these just remind me of something I had then. So that's why I got those. I picked up two of those, but that's, I believe, it for that. Please like, subscribe, and share. Let me know if you're having trouble finding any of these, or if you're looking for any of these, let me know. All right, take care. Bye-bye.